My first fave of the month is VI Derm. Yes, honey, this is the exfoliating body lotion, and you should be using a glycolic when you put it on your body because you know what that's going to do? It's going to tighten your skin, take it from dull to what's up, and it's going to make your skin hydrated and looking great and get rid of dead skin cells. Take it to the street, dead skin cells, okay? You can put this on your body. You can put it on your back. If you have back knee, it gets rid of back knee. It's fabulous. You're going to love it. We know we do. Okay, guys, Bodyography. This is Eclipse. They have many different colors. This is a high pigmented eyeshadow. It's a cream. It stays on. It looks gorgeous. It's easy to use. If you're afraid of glitter, this is where you should be going. Cruelty free, baby. We love it. Bodyography, welcome to the world. We love you. We're so happy we know you. And yeah. So this is the H2O Plus. This is the Sensitive Gel Moisturizer. We love this. We think it's amazing. So this is going to help the appearance of redness if you have sensitive skin. It's going to lock in moisture to make your skin more vibrant, fuller, and looking more youthful. This product was made in Japan as well, which is great because they're on the cutting edge of beauty over there, and the skin has never looked better than in Japan. Thank you. Arigato. So if you guys use the code JamieG, you're going to get another free product for them. So you'll order something, and then they're going to send you a free product. I mean, who doesn't love that? So Aloysia Marie is a genius because she came up with a 7-day skincare system using masks. The first one is a soothing and protection mask. Second one is a brightening radiance mask, ultra nourishing moisture mask, a deep healing mask, a rejuvenating and repair mask, a ginseng vitality mask, and an aqua ultra moisturizing mask. It's amazing. And also this brand is so amazing because it's paraben free, sulfate free, ethanol free, mineral oil free, cruelty free. I think it's just amazing. You should be doing a 7-day skincare system. I think at least once a month. I think a mask a day keeps the dermatologist away. You know what I'm saying, people? Do it. Okay, here's the deal. Beauty blender, same size. This one has water in it, and this is how you use it so that you can bounce it and keep your, I'm gonna do it right now, keep your skin looking awesome. Melds your makeup, makes it look perfect. You have no lines, it makes everything look flawless. You just bounce it. Bounce, 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 bounce. Okay, honey? This is the one we have in Swag Bag this month, and we love it. This is Honest's liquid lipstick. I love it. It's in love because it's the month of love, you guys. It's gorgeous. It stays on forever. It has a matte finish, but it's super hydrating, so you don't have to worry. It has a clean power technology and a flexible feel that you're going to be obsessed with. Go love someone. Lash Star, I'm obsessed with you. Okay, so a lot of people don't know how to do this. You want to put this on clean lashes, hold down by the root of your lash, hold it for 10 seconds, release. And this is the Lash Star Supreme Lash Curler. Don't pump it. Don't be like, no, just hold it there. Hold it. Let this do the work. You don't need to ruin your wrist and pump it. No, honey. So just a little, you're going to love it. This is my new best friend. You're so cute. No, you're so cute. No, you're so cute. Those are my February faves. Shop them on JamieMakeup.com. We love you.